Prime Minister Narendra Modi awarded GI, that is the Geographical Indication certificates, to 21 traditional products from the state during his visit to the Varanasi on Friday. Among the newly certified items were the iconic Banarasi Tabla and the Banarasi Bharwan, which also but now officially recognized for their unique regional identity. With a total of 77 GI certified products, Uttar Pradesh currently holds the top position in India. The Kashi region alone accounts for 32 GI tags, also making it a global hub for the GI recognized items. The ceremony of the United States and the Uttar Pradesh government, the collaboration has also heightened the success of the Yogi Adityanath government's flagship product, that is the One District One Product scheme and the initiative, according to the official statement. Several traditional products from the Varanasi, such as the Shehnai, metal casting craft, mural painting, also the Lal Pera Thandai, Tirangi Barfi and the Koronda from the Chera Gaon has also been received the GI tag certificates. These items are not just cultural treasures but also a source of livelihood for those thousands of artisans. With the GI tag they have now chance to showcase their skills in the international markets. According to GI expert and the Padma Shri awardee Dr. Rajnikant, the Kashi region is the world's GI hub with 32 GI tagged products involving nearly 20 lakh people and generating an annual business of 25,000 crore. The new list of the GI certified product also include Bareli's furniture, Zara Zardozi and the terracotta work, Mathura's Sanji craft, Bundelkhand's Kathia wheat and the Pilibhit's bamboo float. Also, these items represent the unique cultural identity of their regions. With the GI certification, they now receive legal protection and enhanced brand value. Additionally, Chitrakoot's woodcraft, Agra stone inlay work and Jaunpur's Amarthi also have been granted the GI tags. A GI tag not only confirms the authenticity of the product but also helps farmer and artisan get better prices in the market. It also creates new employment opportunities